overcast conditions across the Susquehanna Valley now. Live look over York, seeing those overcast skies as well. We're also seeing the winds begin to pick up as well as we get closer towards the middle of the afternoon. It's 43 degrees now. We have that westerly 13-mile-per-hour breeze, but with the wind and the air temperature combined, makes it feel like 36 degrees out there. So we will have a wind advisory in effect starting right around 2 o'clock or 2 o'clock this afternoon, I should say, and then lasting until 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. So keep that in mind as we get into the rest of this afternoon. Winds are already starting to pick up speed. We're 22 miles per hour in Lewistown, 26 miles per hour in Chambersburg. But here's some of the peak wind gust reports that we've already gotten. We have 33 miles per hour reported in Reedsville, 31 in Fort Indiantown Gap, Lidditz 31, Thomasville 28, Chambersburg 27 miles per hour.